It was a difficult film to watch also because it's so raw. What was it like acting such roles? I mean, you've done several roles which are heart-tugging kind of roles. So, what was it like?
I think when I heard the narration of the film, I think the narration itself, before even the narration, I'll take you back to the time when Nikhil called me. It was during COVID,
Huh.
and he called and said that Rani, this is a film I've called you for, and this is the story. And I was like, "Are you joking? Because this can't be true."
Huh.
So I said, "Have you made up the story?" He said, "No, this is a true story. This has in fact happened with a lady. And if you don't believe me, I'll send you the press cutout or the media coverage that happened with her. And I'll send you everything." And I've actually seen all of that, seen the footage in the media, seen all of that happened. And that's when I believed that it's actually a true story. Because for me, I never believed that an Indian immigrant or any immigrants actually go through something like that in a foreign country, because it's obviously not their first home country. They are probably the third citizens of the state or the fourth citizens of the state, and when you go to a different country, you have to adapt to the culture that country follows. Now these बारीकियाँ हमें नहीं पता. हमें ऐसे लगता है जो अब्रॉड चले गए, मे बी दे आर लिविंग अ बेटर लाइफ, दे आर प्रॉबली हैविंग सो मेनी luxuries, have a better life. But what we never realize is what are the hardships that they go through, what are the trials and tribulations they go through, and especially after having children, what are the laws, and your culture might probably come in direct contrast with what they believe in.
Correct.
So as simple as feeding your child with your own hand, which is in our Hindu culture, in our Indian culture, it's a very normal thing.
Normal,
And imagine that is something that is opposed there,
Yeah.
or like जैसे
Sleeping
हमारी
with the baby in the middle.
exactly. So there are so many things that in our Indian culture is so normal
Yeah.
that it is a bone of contention in another country. Now, how does a person know that? That you have to go through the rules, you have to work according to that.
And when you acted like that, you're a young mother at that stage
Yes.
when you did that.
No, it tore my heart to know that a mother has gone through something like this. To be away from your child and your child being taken away in front of your eyes.
Yeah.
It's the most traumatic thing for a mother. And I just channeled my mom, because my mom is a Bengali, and she was the closest person I could think of. Her mannerisms, the way she talks, because Bengalis have a certain accent when they speak. I'm born and brought up in Bombay.
Yeah, you have no Bengali
So I don't
accent.
have the Bengali accent, but my mummy has, She speaks in English or Hindi, she will sound like a Bengali.
Okay.
So she has that accent.
Huh, so
So
you
I
brought
channeled my mom completely in Devika's role. Because that rawness, like even my mom is like ferocious for her children. Like कोई मेरे भाई और मेरे बारे में कोई बोल के देखे, she's out there to fight.
Tigress, huh?
She is a tigress. So I channeled her, her mannerisms, how she would be.
So your
for
mother,
me,
huh?
yeah. So for
Mummy.
me, it became. So the national award feels so personal because I channeled my mom through the role, and
She was watching when you were getting the what? She was watching on TV?
she was watching on TV with my
she was on
daughter.
that? Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.